Today I'm going to teach you how to manually sort products in WooCommerce. This is incredibly useful when you want to control exactly how your products appear on your storefront, putting your best sellers or featured items right where customers will see them first. Let's start by opening your browser and heading over to wordpress.com. Once you're there, sign into your account if you haven't already. Make sure you're using the account that has access to your WooCommerce store, as you'll need the proper permissions to rearrange products. After you've logged in, direct your attention to the left side of your screen where you'll find the navigation menu. Look for the option labeled Products and click on it. This will expand a submenu with several options related to your product management. From these expanded options, go ahead and click on All Products. This section is where you can view and manage every product currently listed in your WooCommerce store. Now here's where things get really straightforward. Once you're viewing all your products, look towards the top part of your screen. You'll notice an option called Sorting. Click on this and it will present you with a view specifically designed for manual product arrangement. This interface displays all your products in a way that makes them easy to reorganize. The beauty of this feature is its simplicity. You'll see all your products laid out, and from here you can simply drag and drop them into whatever order you prefer. Click and hold on a product, then drag it up or down to reposition it. As you move products around, they'll automatically shift to accommodate the new arrangement. This gives you complete control over the sequence your customers will see when browsing your store. Whether you want to highlight seasonal items, promote new arrivals, or feature your most popular products at the top, this manual sorting capability puts that power directly in your hands. And that's it. You've successfully arranged your WooCommerce products in exactly the order you want them displayed. Your customers will now see your products in this customized sequence when they visit your store. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.